Hey, I'm Nick from Dorman Products, and this is our universal seat heater kit. Dorman makes a number of replacement seat heaters to replace pads that have gone bad, but this universal kit is designed for you to actually add seat heating to a vehicle that didn't come equipped with it in the first place. If your car or truck has a 12-volt electrical system in good shape, you can probably install one of our universal seat heaters. This kit can be made to fit nearly any car or truck on the road today. If you've got a good understanding of electrical systems in a modern car, this installation should feel pretty familiar to you. However, the installation is not a direct fit, so you should expect to do some very minor problem solving during the installation. If you're experienced, this install should take a couple of hours per seat. If you aren't, you might want to set aside the better part of a day to tackle it yourself. Everything you need is in here except for basic hand tools. Each kit converts one seat and seat back to have heat, so you'll need to buy one kit per seat. The installation is reasonably direct because we include instructions in the box. In this video, we're going to demonstrate a general overview of the installation. Of course, your vehicle may look slightly different. Before you begin, think about where you'd like to mount your control switch, since you will have to drill a hole. Undrilling holes, you know, is not possible. When you're ready to start, you'll remove the vehicle seat from the vehicle, then pull the seat covers. After that, you'll affix the heating elements, which have a pre-applied adhesive. One goes on the seat back and the other one installed onto the seat cushion. After that, you'll replace the seat cover using the hog rings and ring pliers we included in the kit. Next, mount the switch, then run all of your wiring. The kit includes a very nice surface mount 2-position rocker switch for seat only or seat and seat back warming. A relay and fuse are wired and included, and the wiring comes with connectors pre-installed. Cable ties are also included in the box, so you can secure your wiring for a safe, neat installation. If you want to dress things up further, be sure to check out our Builder Series line of electrical products and tools to help elevate your wiring capabilities. After that, you're all done. You'll be toasty warm all winter long, even in the coldest of climates. We hope you like this new solution, and remember, if you need anything at all, the Dorman Technical Support Team is always handy to help. Thanks for checking out our video on this universal seat heater kit. I'm Nick. I'll see you next time.